There's Mason. Go get him. That's right.
This is what he does when I say smile.
Cece, go get Mason. Yeah. Mason, watch out. Watch out for Cece.
Wait. Come over here. Say, come over here, Mason. Move out, slide over so you don't knock over Cece. There, thank you. Good job. Now come down. There you go. Now you each have a side. Exactly. They're interacting so much. You should see him and Parker. It's really cool. Like they actually play together. Say, come on, Cece, let's go. Tell her. Say, come on, let's go. You tell her? Whoa. Let's go, Cece.
Let's go,
Say,
Cece.
come play, Cece.
Go free.
Say, come on, Cece.